So I'm just taking a look and kind of doing a declutter, just some brief, quick declutter right now. And I know that these just, I don't like them. I mean, I like the color. They're really high-waisted. I don't know, maybe I should try them on. But they kind of hurt my stomach because they're just so high-waisted and they kind of squeeze. So I think I'm just gonna donate them. Pull down my bin of summer dresses from the attic. It was literally over 100 degrees in the attic, which is 35 Celsius. But anyway, I'm going to be changing out some of the sweaters and stuff and just putting them in bins. It's going to take more than one bin for the sweaters, and I typically will find a few things going through this stuff that I just want to get rid of. They don't fit anymore, or they just, you know, I just don't like them. So it's already mid-June, so I'm pretty late with this, but I really could have used this in Italy. Lemons are huge in Italy, both physically and figuratively. They love lemons, and then their lemons literally are the size of grapefruits. It's crazy. Sure if I'm gonna keep these or donate. I don't know. I'm gonna try them on. This one's just been on my maybe list for a while. It's not the most flattering, so you really have to wear like something loose with it. But I'm gonna try them on again. Yeah, so I don't like the way this sits on my shoulders, so I'm gonna donate it. I'm also donating this. This was thrifted. I think this is originally from Target. It's Merona is a brand. It's just, I don't know, it's a little rough. I don't really like it. This one is thin. It's from Talbot's. Just kind of thin and sheer, and I don't know. I don't really like it, though I do like boat necks. This sweater has a lot of bad memories, and I don't know. Every time I see it, I'm reminded of like, yeah, just bad memories. So I'm just gonna donate it. It's a little rough in the collar too, but I do like this style of boat neck. And then this, I like this sweater, but it has, so somebody bought it for me about 5 or 6 years ago as a present, and back when the cold shoulder style was in style. I've never been a fan of like, I don't know, some of the stuff is just very faddish, so I'm gonna see if I can maybe patch it. I don't know. It might look stupid, I don't know. And then these were dresses that I unpacked. This is stuff I got in 2015, and obviously this is fast fashion, and I love jungle print stuff, but it's really thin. It's sheer and it's just cheap. So I've decided I'm gonna make myself a jungle print dress at some point, buy the fabric from like Joann's Fabric or whatever. And I did buy a pattern. I haven't completed making my first dress, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna donate this too. Same thing with this. I bought it at the same time. This is kind of cute. I don't even know if this still fits anyway, so I'm just ready to get rid of it. And then this was from the same purchase. I'm sure it's some Chinese company, but I wore this a few times, and yeah, I think this is quite tight as well, and I'm just over it. And then I have a dress that's very similar to this. I got this thrifted from Goodwill. I don't even know when, probably 2016, 2017. And I have a navy blue one with white stripes that I like better. So we'll just donate that. I mean, I probably spent $5 on it at Goodwill originally, so no loss. And I did wear it like Easter once or something. So that will be the donate pile. And then I'm gonna take that down to my ever-growing pile on my sewing table. So this is from Banana Republic. I bought this at Goodwill like a month ago, 2 months ago. Anyway, dropped it off at the cleaners. It's this nice blue color. It almost looks like denim, but yeah. My local Goodwill has tons of Banana Republic. What's the other one? White House Black Market, Express, some, you know, nicer brands that you can get work clothes. I've gotten so many work clothes. A lot of those slacks I've gotten from the local Goodwill, and I just take them to the cleaners and he does his magic. But yeah, excited for these dresses. We're going to a winery tomorrow, so I'm trying to pick out what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna steam some of this stuff, and then I'm gonna try on a few items and just see what fits. This is, I think I got this for 50 cents. It is long, so I do like some long dresses that are just, you know, if you haven't shaved your legs or something, you just throw it on and go to church, or even to work, like with a blazer, or even just a slouchy sweater. Like, I could get away with that. Our work has become super casual lately. So, and then this is a romper. I love this. Super classy. It's from Zara originally, but I got it from Goodwill. $5, I think. I don't know. 5 or 10 probably, but I love it. And then my thrifted Lily Pulitzer. I'll have to do, I keep saying I'm gonna do a haul someday, but yeah, this stuff. So these are normally like $400, probably more now with inflation, but I buy mine. They have these Lily Pulitzer groups on Facebook where you can resell stuff, and it was very addicting. Like 5 years ago, I bought a bunch of Lily Pulitzer. This color's kind of like, I don't know. My friend told me it looks like it makes her nauseous to look at, but I don't know. I kind of think the colors are fun and bright and happy. So, yeah. And I need to lint roll a bunch of this. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm not sure. Also very tight in the stomach area and give me a stomach ache because they're just really high-waisted. So I'm gonna get rid of these. I don't see anything else. I'm kind of on the fence about these, possibly, but I'm gonna organize this and put these back in a second. So I'm trying to organize it by colors. I don't know, I guess this isn't really. These are kind of my loose pants up here, kind of similar designs. These are flowy Vietnamese pants. This one's burnt orange, this one's black, and then got some more just plain black slacks, of course. Basic staple, some navy blue, 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 and then our grays, brown. Well, hopefully everyone can see. Hopefully you're not colorblind, but yeah. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it was. Love it. It's on wheels, so as soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, please. Take that. So I've got a bunch of coats here still. I'm going to be pulling out. I did just dry clean this pea coat. It's the one I wore the most this winter, and it just was, you know, it's kind of good to get that dry clean. So I'm going to put these in the attic in their bins. Alright, I'm not going to go through the shelves right now and organize them, but I just see down a vest. And this one too. Oh, and I see something I want to get rid of. Sometimes I'll just take stuff that I see and, you know, put it in the bag for upstairs to donate. Oh, this too. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. This is just a little too juvenile, and it just kind of doesn't button. It looks like something from the Civil War too, so it's gonna go. So I put all my sweaters in this bin. I'm going to have to put a few in a second bin because it's not shutting tightly, but I'm gonna put these in the attic right now. It's 6:50 a.m. So the attic is not 120 degrees yet. So that's nice. But I'm gonna have to act quickly because it is heating up. It's supposed to be 100 degrees today. Same thing with these. These are gonna go in the attic. All my winter coats, some pea coats as well. And yeah, they'll just go into a bin. Ready to start deep cleaning. It's pretty dusty back in some of these corners because I haven't moved the furniture around in a while, so yeah, we might find some things. Okay, gonna go through this rack real quick. I already know I'm going to get rid of this. I have enough polka dots. And this is just, I don't know. It's H&M. Oh, no, it's still limited. I guess I got this thrifted, but anyway, it's gonna get donated. Right. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's pretty, usually I put it underneath sweaters and things like that, but I don't really have a use for it anymore. Ooh, this is handy. Should go up here. Probably should do some reorganizing of it soon. Just get everything in the right place. Yeah, most of these are just thrifted and I've had them for years. Kind of on the fence about this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. This was somebody's, they gave it to me. This was my mom's from like the 60s or 70s. Oh my gosh. It's all tangled up. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. already got something like it. So this thing, oh my gosh, everything is so tangled. Yeah, this thing is like a black. I'm gonna get rid of this. It just doesn't look nice anymore. I am looking for a nice white button down. When we were in Italy, I wanted to go shopping and then we didn't have any time because we were rushing around doing other things. So I didn't get to do that. I wanted to get like a nice suit as well. I always get lots of compliments on this one. It's a Lily Pulitzer thrifted. This was my mom's from the 60s. And I just got a basic blue button down. This was thrifted too, Banana Republic. Got so many of these all thrifted. I think this was from TJ Maxx actually. That was Tommy Hilfiger. Huh. On the fence about that one. This is vintage-ish, I guess. I bought it off Poshmark. I used to wear this for the 4th of July. I won't this year though. I've got another idea. I'm gonna wear this with white pants and red heels. Okay, all right, that's everything. Got rid of more than I thought I would. So, and I'm gonna try on these shorts and see if they fit. Of this black skirt too, pencil skirt. It belongs to my coworker. Well, it belonged. She was like, hey, do you want it? I've been meaning to donate it. So I was like, I'll take a look. But it's just too big for me, so I'm gonna donate it as well on her behalf. And then these are going bye-bye.